Hello everyone, welcome to Be a Geek. I'm Kritagya. Today we are solving another Python HackerRank problem, that is find the percentage. So in this question we have basically a dictionary, a student dictionary, where we have the name of the student and the marks of the students. So we have to find out the average of marks of a student. So for example, here we will be given the name of the student through a query for which we have to find the average. So here we have given the name as beta. So for beta the marks are 30, 50 and 70. So we have to do the average, that is the sum of these divided by the total number of marks, that is the 50. Also there is one thing, that is we have to print the average of marks obtained by a particular student correct to 2 decimal places. So for example, in this case the average is 56, but we have to print it to 2 decimal places, that is 0.00. So it should be displayed like 56.00. Let's see another example. In this case, for the Harsh, we have to print the average, that is 26.5, but as we have to print up to 2 decimal places, the output is 26.50. So we will be having the dictionary of students, then we will have the key. So let's first understand the dictionary. Okay, so for example, let's take, we have this student dictionary. As we know, dictionary is a collection data type in Python. So this stores basically values in key value pair. So we have key as student name, for example beta. Then we have value as list, for example 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now if I want to access, if someone in this question, we will be having the name of the student and query name. So in this case, let's say beta. So is this a key of a dictionary? Yes. If I want to access the marks, then I can just directly give the key to a dictionary and it will return me this list. Okay. And if I have the list of marks, just in case, we have given key this and we have the marks as 52, 56 and 60. Now let's do the average, the total of this divided by 3, and we have to print up to the 2 decimal places. So for that we will use format string. Let's see some example of format string. So for example, I'll just say format 23, and as I want it be 2 decimals, so for that I will be using float. So I'll write 2f. F denotes the float point, 2 denotes 2 decimal places. So if I just print this, okay, so basically that is because I have returned 23 in the string format. So when I run this, I'll get 23.000. If I increased it to 5, it will print 23 and then 50. If I just bring it like 23.12, it will print 23.12, then 3 zeros. So this is how we use format string of float number to print the desired number of output up to 2 decimal places, 3 decimal, any number of points. So let's move to the question. As in the question, we will be having the query name as key. So we'll directly fetch the marks of the student from student mark dictionary using this query name only. So in marks, we will have our marks, the list of marks of that particular student. After that, I want to find out the total number of marks. The total number of marks. I mean the total number of marks available in the list. The total number of marks, that is basically the length of marks, and I mean the length of list. Okay, so in this case, so let's see, for example, in this, or maybe in this example, Harsh, we will have the marks list as this. So the length will be 3. Okay, now to do the average, either we'll take a variable of total marks and loop through our marks. For n in marks, we'll add that n to our total marks variable. After this, we'll have the sum of these three values in the total marks, and then we can use just our print format string that we have learned just now. The format, first I want to print, that is like the total marks average, the total marks divided by total number of marks. That will give me the average marks, and as I want it to be up to 2 decimal places, I'll write this. So this will work. So here what we are doing, we are using the query name to get the marks of the list of marks of the student. Then we are using total number of marks, that is basically the length of this list, and for having the sum, we are looping it and adding to the total marks value. So adding each value to the total marks variable. At last, we are doing total marks divided by number of marks up to 2 decimal places. So when I just run this, this will work. All test cases are also passed. Or if you don't want to loop in, you can just directly use the sum function also. You can just write sum of marks. So it will do the total and give it. So we can just directly submit this. This will also work. Okay. So this is how you can solve this problem using the basic functions and just having the knowledge of how we can access variables in dictionary through the key. So if you want to copy this code, you can directly visit our website. I'll provide the link in the description. So this is the question we have done today. The video will be uploaded here soon, and this is the code. You can just directly copy using this copy button. And if you want to look for all previous problems that we have solved in our previous videos, you can visit this link. I'll provide this also in description, where we have solved all previous questions and video. You can access the video through this, and if you want to see the code of any question, you can just click on the question. The code will be available here. So I hope you like this video. Please share, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one, solving another Python HackerRank problem.